Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add vibrant, popping colors to your raw pictures using Adobe Photoshop. This is a great way to make your photos stand out and look more professional. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your raw image. First, open Photoshop and load the raw image you want to edit. Simply go to File, select Open and choose your image. Step 2. Open Camera Raw Filter. Once your image is open, go to Filter in the top menu and select Camera Raw Filter. This opens up a powerful editing panel where we can make some amazing adjustments. Step 3. Adjust basic settings. Start by adjusting the basic settings. Increase the exposure to brighten your image, then tweak the contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks to balance the overall tone of your picture. These settings help to create a good foundation for your color adjustments. Step 4. Enhance colors with vibrance and saturation. Now let's make those colors pop. Increase the vibrance to enhance the muted colors without oversaturating the already vibrant ones. Adjust the saturation to boost all the colors in your image. Be careful not to go too far, as it can make the image look unnatural. Step 5. Fine-tune colors with HSL adjustments. For more precise control, switch to the HSL Adjustments panel. Here, you can individually tweak the hue, saturation, and luminance of specific color ranges. This allows you to target and enhance particular colors in your photo. Final touches and save. After fine-tuning the colors, make any final adjustments you need, like sharpening or noise reduction. Once you're happy with the results, click OK to apply the Camera Raw filter adjustments. Finally, save your edited image by going to File and selecting Save As. And that's it! You've successfully added popping colors to your raw picture using Adobe Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.